Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can tell from the title, we got a puppy. Sophie! Come here, baby! I don't know what she's getting into. But anyways, Mama here, Lexi, you've seen her in my other videos, she had puppies, 5 of them, 2 girls and 3 boys. This is Sophie! Look at her, she's so cute! Hello! So Lexi had puppies about 4 months ago, so that means this little stinker right here is 4 months old, and she's been doing really well. She's learning a couple things. If you remember all my other videos back, you'll see these 2, but now the newest member of the K-Win family, that one. Hi, good girl. Come here. This is the newest member of our family, aren't you, Sophie? And it's funny because this little stinker here is like my dad's baby. She's everything. Anyway, as you can tell, the other 2 have this gray collar. She's special. She gets the pink, but she is gonna be a good dog, and here in a minute we're gonna see if she does well with her first retrieve. Not like first retrieve, but first retrieve like with a dead bird, like an actual dead bird. We do some retrieving in the house with their toys and such. She does a good job, but we're gonna see if she can do any good with an actual bird and like the feathers and the smell and all that. But if you subscribe, so go down there and hit that subscribe button with notifications. Next video, we're gonna be taking her and these other 2 doinkers, we're gonna be taking them to go quail hunt. Right, Lexi? It's gonna be good. Anyway, let's go ahead and get her with the bird and see how she does with it. I'm hoping that she does well, and I think she will. We've been working with her a little bit, so let's get into the retrieving. Anyway, let's hold some. Right here, look. Right here. 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 Like here. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I'm hoping that if Sophie sees what Lexi's doing, here, then she'll want to bring it back to me as well. Here. Here. Okay. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Lexi, right? Sophie. Sophie. Ready? Come here, girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. This is what they're gonna do. Come here, Sophie. Good girl, Sophie. Good girl, Sophie. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Her first ever retrieve. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You got that from your mama. Your mama was a natural too. Hey, with a little bit of an issue. Hey, hey. Sophie. Sophie, ready? Sophie. Lexi. Here. Come on. Next video, we're going to be doing some actual hunting. Come here. But she's doing really well. You can't really see her, but come here. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, stop. Stop. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's doing so well. Here. Good girl. Here. Here. Lady, hi, baby girl. Good girl, Lexi. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We're done. And this is us. I'm glad you didn't really see Sophie all that much, but she did really well with this bird. She did really well with that bird. I'm very impressed. Yeah, you did good. Come here. Oh, you did so good. You did so good. You did so good. She's like, put me down. I want to go run. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this was a short video. if y'all subscribed, next video y'all are gonna see that we actually went quail hunting, and it's gonna be a really good one, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you watched the whole thing, I know it's kind of cringy, but thank y'all so much for watching. Peace out.